Hello, welcome to Cher's Bedtime Stories. Dad and Son English Journey. Today's story is The Little Rabbit. Look at the bunny. She is so funny, eating something yummy. She sits under trees. She feels a cool breeze. She loves fresh green leaves. Time for her head. The sky is soft red. Rest her little head. Close your eyes tight. Everything is alright. Sleep well tonight.